Check that out. But it's better this way than trying to rely on somebody else, because somebody else, no good. How close we are on the size. Holy shit. That was the first try, boys. I'd say that's friggin' just about bang on. Well, it's bittersweet day in Inwood, boys. We got the friggin' onepuglightdots.com. We got the onepuglightdots.com open, but we're getting rid of my box for it here, boys. Oh my god, but yeah, it certainly make me feel a whole lot better if you went on over to onepuglightdots.com and ordered yourself up some Inwood Customs friggin' merch, some handmade right out of Inwood's lair merch. I apologize. A little excited there. Not too bad, but yeah, I ended up making all those keychains, so I figure the first 50 orders we get, because I only got 50 keychains, so we'll toss a Inwood Customs keychain. We made that with the X-Tool laser engraver. A lot of good boxes here today, boys, since I'm having a hard time. You know what I mean? That right there. That's a good box. You get a bunch of good boxes. Look at that. I like when they nest. They nest together like that. But wow, that's good. Look at all the room we made just by 2 minutes of picking up some boxes. We got a package with something into it. What is this? Missing components. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I thought they didn't even come. They were in the box the whole time. Tiffany's friggin' Rubik Zirconians. She makes different things. Flower arrangements and gravestone flower topper things and stuff like that. And different arts and crafts. So yeah, this is for her. We'll go drop those off. Decent. Thought they never even came. That box was sitting there the whole time with those in it. And I was all pissed off at Amazon because they sent a whole bunch of stuff and some of it was missing. Turns out I should look in the box a little better, maybe. It's undercoating season big time. Everybody wants to wait till, you know, the end of the year, but yeah, undercoating, friggin' the Bad Hair Gang, 2/3 of the Bad Hair Gang got together on the weekend there. It'll never be a full chooch because one of the members decided that he was a El Rata Capitan, so yeah, we might be able to get the band back together and stuff, boys. You imagine? Oh, I got my first 4 orders yesterday. We just opened the store yesterday. Got 4 orders right off the hop, so appreciate that. Should show you what's going on outside. Maybe I'll grab the bin while I'm out there. Got this guy's rig. He wanted it power washed on the underside there. Look at the mess I made. Oh no. I power washed the underside of this guy's rig yesterday for him because he wanted, you know, maximum cohesion to the stovepipe there, but it's not 100%, but it's definitely better than it was. Look, all the stuff on the ground. But yeah, look at though. That's not good. When I seen it, I told him, I was like, "Oh, are you sure you want to do this? Because you know, your frame needs to be fixed." But you know, like, oh, I don't know if you can see it because of the light in the background, but all along there is just full of holes. Not good, but you see those GM frames, right? They got this wax on there, so like where the wax stuck, bare metal. Where it didn't stuck, holds water against it. No good, right?
Totally.
Yep, that's what happens. But if you have a GM vehicle, power wash all that wax off there to bare metal and then undercurd it. And then, yeah, you don't got bullshit wax holding on.
They do.
Yeah, they dip the whole frames in wax. Like they just submerge the whole frame in a bath of wax. And then that's supposed to protect it. Now, like if you're in like Texas or something, sure, great, right on. But like in Canada, no, that's totally not good. Oh, look at this. I found the stash, boys. Look at that. Nice. Couple pops, couple cigarettes. Just crushing cans, I guess. Got a big can crushing operation going on in Inwood today. Were you counting them? Were you keeping track, or you just willy-nilly fucking just crushing cans? Holy fuck! Come on, eh? Where's your list? Where's the count? Eh? Look at that, the original lawn chair, boys. She's something better, dudes. But I bet you she'd just fire right up and fucking do a wheelie 50 kilometers an hour. Why not? Yeah, we'll get some room in here, eh? Maybe sort some stuff out. Put the chairs in here so we can just like access them in and out.
Yeah, I should try and do a kickflip with that.
You won't.
I can't do it, man. I did an ollie like maybe 2 times in my life.
Really?
Yeah.
I did a 50-50 grind once. I'll have to probably pull the engine out of the Grumman this winter. Machine shop that did it, no good. Like, just simply wow. Check out warmpodguide.com. Merch store is open for business, boys. And we are ready to rock. Check out I made that. I made this shirt. I made the screen and put it on, put the ink and the shine, dry it, put it in a wash machine. Nice. Nice. Holy dude, check this one out. Common turbo diesel. Well, check this out, dudes. Making a classy fella shirt here. You see this? There's nothing on it. Watch this. You're gonna freak out. I freaked out the first time too. Look at this. Just appears out of Whitward. Isn't that awesome? Can you sort that? It's probably because I'm a bit of a classy fella. That's all there is to her, boys. That's all there is to her. Are you excited? Are you excited? Oh, well, check this out, dudes. These are good friends down at Highboy. They're just freaking higher as frig. Keep sending me bikes. But okay. All right. So we got the Highboy P7. Oh, that son of a bitch is just wedged in there. Good Lord. Look at this too. We are ready to rock. Right into the garbage. Oh, they package them well, that's for sure. Holy. Check it out, dudes. The new Highboy P7. Just got regular bike tires on it. The P6 has the fat tires. Just notice the difference here. Eh? A little bit of a different neck and stuff. Looks like it's got a bigger battery on the P7. But this one was spas. I can't remember how spas it went, but it was pretty spas. Let's do a speed run comparison against the P6 and the P7. We're 44 kilometers an hour on this guy here. It's not too bad. Well, this is a different ride, boys. This is nice. .8, 0.9. Yeah, decent. Of all the ones I've had, I like these ones the best. More awesome. Check this out. Just tons of friggin' sweateners. Yeah, boys, hey? Classy fellas, we're friggin' horses and we're in customs so far. And the first 50 dicks, we're gonna give them some keychains. So appreciate Tori on that, Valve. And smoke some cigarettes. There we go. Classy friggin' fella. Wampuckout.com. Can you hear me better now? Holy, look at this, boys. Friggin' Chinook's rolling in. Something terrible. I'm trying to get a big jump going here. Try to do a big jump for my movie. You know what I mean? Oh, come here. Help me fight a buck of wood. Oh, shit. There's a good one right there. Check this out. Decent. Gonna probably catch like 2 feet of air. Friggin' undercoated my rig today too, boys. We're all done undercoatings for a few days, so hopefully be able to get back into some, you know, something else. Holy. Oh yeah. That's a friggin' decent ramp right there. Want me to see me do a big jump? Oh yeah, popped a wheelie even. You saw it? Oh yeah, dudes. Hey? Totally popped a wheelie. Big time. Oh, here comes the Chinook, boys. Hope you're happy. Hope you're happy about the Chinook. Okay, almost crashed. Gotta go. Let's put this thing away before I hospitalize myself, I guess. Yeah, that's fun. That's fun really bad. Oh, my shirt! Look at boys! Don't know if you noticed anything different about me, but feeling a little classy. Hey, did you notice how classy I am?
Oh, fat? Classy. Oh, nice.
Yeah. Hey, classy fella, bud. Wampuckout.com. Hey, I apologize. She's not the easiest on appliance though. I keep fucking up. Hey.
Oh, fuck, man. It's not cooperating.
Yeah.
It's hard.
If it was easy, everybody would do it. Oh, friggin' right's the felon. He's like really smart with computers and stuff. And like, oh, it's got a little bit embarrassing, but like I was up there for a minute. Couldn't get it to work. Felon's like, bloop, bloop, bloop. 2 minutes, totally working. So, scores. But yeah, she's been a long week or two here, boys. Putting in good 2-3 hours a day, 2-3 hours a day at least. So, wears a guy out. You know what I mean? But any words, I got all type of shirt printing to do here, so we'll freaking get this movie up, and then I gotta make some shirts, and then yeah, hopefully tomorrow we can get into something more cordial, because I think I'm caught up on all my undercurtains. Scores! But anyways, boys, okay, I go.